So today we're going to start with a daily math warm-up. This is Unit 1, Day 2. The first thing you need to do at the top of the page is put the date. Today is August 25th, 2020. So copy that down on your paper. And we've been in school. We'll count all the days that there's been school, even the Wednesdays. And so that puts us at 7 days. So then below that is the time. And in looking at time, you start, if it's 8 o'clock, the hour hand points at the number. Notice it is pointing at the number. It does not go past it. It's like it's pointing at it. And then the minute hand, when it's 00, that's the beginning of the hour. The minute hand goes past the 12, all the way to the edge at the beginning of the hour. And so then you need to mark that on your daily math skills paper. Hour hand is pointing at the number. The minute hand goes past into the edge. So I'm going to take just a minute to make sure this minute hand does that. It goes all the way to the edge. And this hour hand may be just a little too long. So it is important that the hour hand is pointing directly straight at the number and the minute hand is pointing straight up at the 12. All right, so you have a number puzzle on your sheet. You can look at your hundreds chart to help you with that. The 12 is there, and the number above and the number below are missing, and the number to the right and the number to the left is missing. So just like you saw there on your hundreds chart, you will see these numbers around here, but you're not focusing on those. You're looking at the number that's above the 12, which is the number that's 10 less than 12, and then below is the number that's 10 more, and then the number to the left is the number just before 12, and the number to the right is the number after 12. So fill in those, and then it's asking you to come over here and put tally marks. You don't have to put this 5. I'm just showing you so that you can track that that's 5, and here's 10, 11, and that makes 12. So you have a pattern of the day that goes square, triangle, rectangle, square, triangle, rectangle. So at this point, the pattern has repeated twice. It starts with a square, and then there's square, triangle, rectangle. Okay, then it repeats square, triangle, rectangle. So then you'll fill in square, triangle, rectangle, square, triangle, rectangle, and your last one will be a square. The next thing on your list is a fact family. You have a triangle here. The number at the top is always the total number. You have a 3 here and a 1 here and a 4 here. So that's 3 plus 1 makes 4. And I've represented it here with colors to help you understand. 3 plus 4 equals 1. 3 plus 1 equals 4. So another way of representing that is to switch places and have the 1 be first. 1 plus 3 is 4. So the last two are subtraction. Okay, and again, these are the family. This is the family. So if it's subtraction, you always start with the total. All right, you have a total of 4. You subtract 1, that leaves you with 3. Or you have a total of 4, you subtract 3, and that leaves you with 1. All right, then you have money. We're working with pennies here. The back indicates it has a value of 1 cent, so you can mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 cents. All right, today's count is asking you to start at 1 and count by 1. So you start at 1 and then count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And so that's all of the daily math skills lesson.